Hello! Alright guys, I'm going to talk to you about eBay GSP. If you're confused by GSP, it stands for a Global Shipping Program, and it is a way that you can earn more money. I'm going to give you a disclaimer here. A lot of people have strong feelings about GSP. They think it's not worth doing. They think that it's high risk. People are very hesitant. The eBay community in general is quite a hesitant, cautious, hypochondriac kind of community. So be careful what you listen to and expose yourself to as many different opinions as possible. Because in my experience, GSP is 40% of my whole business. And the amount of issues that I get from it are tiny. I personally find comfort in GSP sales because chances are statistically they are just so less likely to produce problems. Overseas buyers, granted, if you ship them the wrong item or if you ship them an item and it arrives broken, you're going to have to deal with that, right? I'm not saying that there are no issues, but in general, overseas buyers are just less picky than U.S. buyers. U.S. buyers are really spoiled. They're used to returning items and being able to, and they have this expectation that you're going to do well by them. Overseas, that is not as common. Most people are just very happy that the item actually showed up. Yeah, it's got a little ding in it, or maybe it's blue instead of green, but they're not going to complain too much because they were able to get it and they were unable to get it without eBay, right? That being said, this section is going to be all about eBay GSP. I want to educate you about this program as much as possible because I'm aware that if you talk to other eBay sellers, they are going to have hesitations, which I think is absurd because, like I said, GSP is 40% of my business. Even if I have to refund a $100 transaction every now and then, that is nothing compared to the amount of business that GSP brings in. And the number of situations where eBay takes the hit and I don't even have to. I'm going to talk to you guys more about this in the following sections, so stay tuned, okay? Ciao!